Good afternoon to everyone. In this video lecture, we have to discuss exceptions to the law of DMU. But before to start exceptions to the law of DMU, what is actually law of DMU? So already we know that the law of DMU, it is given by the new classical economics, Alfred Marshall, in his famous book Principles of Economics, published in 1890. It was mainly proposed by Mr. Gaussens, and therefore this law is known as Gaussens' first law. However, it was explained in detail by Alfred Marshall in Principles of Economics, published in 1890. So in this video lecture, we have to discuss exceptions to the law of DMU. But before to handle exceptions to the law of DMU, what is actually law of DMU? So law of DMU states that with an increase in the stock of commodity consumed, its marginal utility goes on falling. What I am saying, law of DMU states that with an increase in the stock of commodity consumed, its marginal utility goes on falling. It means when consumer consumes same product again and again in a quick succession, rapidly or a given period of time, then consumption of extra additional unit, it gives less satisfaction. This law of DMU explained by Alfred Marshall, and this law of diminishing marginal utility has universally truth, but strictly speaking there are some exceptions. We have to handle what are the actual exceptions to the law of DMU. Okay. So exceptions means it refers to situation or cases where law of DMU does not work. So law of DMU does not hold true in some cases. Instead of marginal utility decline, it increases with increase in the stock of commodity consumed. Law of DMU states that with an increase in the stock of commodity consumed, marginal utility declines. But in exceptional case, instead of decline of marginal utility, it increases, and therefore that situation known as exceptions. Okay. So exceptions, it refers to the situation or cases where law of DMU does not work. So strictly speaking, these exceptions are not real exceptions because there is violation of certain condition. So basically law of diminishing marginal utility completely based on assumptions, hypotheses or conditions that already we had discussed in a previous video lecture. Now we have to handle what are the exceptions that given in your textbook. The first exception, hobbies. So exception means what I said, exceptions, it refers to the situation or cases where law of DMU does not hold true or where law of DMU does not work. And what is law of DMU? So law of DMU state that with an increase in the stock of commodity consumed, its marginal utility goes on falling. So strictly speaking, in case of hobbies such as stamp collection, painting, coin collection, marginal utility increases with extra additional collection of coin or stamp or painting. So in case of hobbies like stamp collection, coin or painting collection, every additional unit, it gives more and more satisfaction to the consumer. So law of DMU does not work. Okay. So what I am saying, strictly speaking, in case of hobbies, law of DMU does not work because every additional unit, it gives more and more satisfaction to the consumer. But the law of DMU states that the extra additional unit, it gives less satisfaction. Law of DMU states that the extra additional unit, it gives less satisfaction, but strictly speaking, in case of hobbies, every additional unit, it gives more and more satisfaction to the consumer. But in case of hobbies, the person never collect the same coin again and again. The person never collect same painting again and again. The person never collects same stamp again and again. So the person will derive more and more satisfaction when he collect different coins. When person derive more and more satisfaction when he collect different paintings. So in this case, that hobbies, the condition of homogeneity is violated, and therefore hobbies, it is also not a genuine exceptions. Okay, because in collection of stamp, when consumer or person collect different coin, that time only he will derive more and more satisfaction. But law of DMU based on condition, and what is the condition? The units of commodity that consumed by consumer, it should be homogeneous in respect color, in respect size, taste, quality. When consumer collect or consume identical units of commodity, then the extra additional unit, it gives less satisfaction. So if the consumer consumes the same coin again and again, definitely the one more extra additional coin, it will give less satisfaction. But in case of hobbies, the consumer or person collect different coins, and therefore the person derives more and more satisfaction. If he collect the same coin again and again, definitely he will derive less satisfaction with extra additional unit collection. So therefore hobbies, it is not a genuine exception. Then move to the second point, that is miser. So miser means what? So miser, it means a person who loves to have a lot of money but hate to spend it. Okay, what I am saying, the miser means what? A person who loves to have a lot of money but hate to spend it, and that person known as miser, and such behavior is not a normal behavior. Okay, so strictly speaking, in case of miser, derive more and more satisfaction by collecting more and more money and the wealth. Law of DMU state that the extra additional unit, consumption of extra additional unit, it gives less satisfaction. What I am saying, the law of DMU state that the consumption of extra additional unit, it gives less satisfaction. But in case of miser, it means a person who loves to have a lot of money but hate to spend a single rupee. So in case of miser, he derives more and more satisfaction with the collection of one more extra additional unit of money. He derives more and more satisfaction, but such the behavior of miser person, it's not a rational behavior, because there the miser only accumulate, okay, the miser only accumulate money or wealth, but there is no actual consumption of commodity that collected by the miser. So law of DMU state, with an extra additional unit consumed, marginal utility goes falling. So consumption must be there, but miser just accumulate the wealth or money. He never spend any single rupee. So such behavior, it's not a rational behavior, and therefore in case of miser, the condition of rationality violated, and therefore miser, it is also not a genuine exceptions to the law of DMU. Third point we have to discuss, that drunkard. So it is strictly speaking that in case of drunkards, law of DMU does not work, because law of DMU state that with an increase in the stock of commodity consumed, marginal utility goes on falling. It means the consumption of one more extra additional unit, it gives less satisfaction. But in case of drunkard, the consumption of one more extra additional pack, it gives more and more satisfaction. What I am saying, in case of drunkard, the consumption of one more extra additional peg of liquor, it gives more and more satisfaction because of intoxication. But the behavior of drunkard, it is also not rational. The behavior of drunkard, it is not normal. So in case of drunkard, the condition of rationality also violated, and therefore it is also not genuine exceptions to the law of DMU. Because after consumption alcohol, he lost the control over his mind, and therefore his behavior is not a normal behavior, and the law of DMU, it's just applicable to the rational person. Law of DMU is applicable only to the normal person. Okay. So third case, that drunkard, it is also not genuine exceptions to the law of DMU. Then move to the fourth point, music, songs and the poetry. So it is commonly experienced that the music lover get more and more satisfaction, but in this case also the exceptions are not real, as the several repeated hearing of same song music becomes monotonous or boring or dull and will ultimately yield diminishing marginal utility. So here condition of homogeneity and the continuity also violated. Okay. So strictly speaking, that in case of music, lover get more and more satisfaction by listening song. Okay. Law of DMU state that the consumption of one more extra additional unit, it gives less satisfaction. And the exception means what? Exceptions, it refers to the condition or situation where law of DMU does not work. So strictly speaking, in case of music lover, law of DMU does not work. Strictly speaking, that in case of music lover, he derives more and more satisfaction by listening different songs. He derives more and more satisfaction by listening different songs. But law of DMU completely based on condition, and the condition is that the continuity and the homogeneity. If music lover listening the same song continuously, definitely the listening the same song repeatedly, continuously, it will give less satisfaction. So in case of music, the homogeneity and the continuity, these conditions or assumptions violated, and therefore music, song, poetry, it is also not genuine exceptions, because law of DMU completely based on assumption. And what is the assumption, or what is hypothesis, or what is condition? The consumer should be consumed in it continuously without break. There should not be gap or interval by consuming 2 units. Then the units that consumed by consumer, it should be homogeneous in respect color, size, quality, taste, etc. So in case of music, song or poetry lover, he derives more and more satisfaction. He derives more and more satisfaction because he hears different songs. He listens different songs, and therefore he derives more and more satisfaction. If he listens same song, same poetry, definitely he will derive less satisfaction with the extra additional unit. And therefore music, songs, poetry, it is also not genuine exception. Then we have to discuss the fifth point, reading. So reading enrich one's knowledge. A scholar would get more and more satisfaction by reading books. So it is said that people who are lover of reading derives more and more utility from every additional book. But in fact, as per the assumptions of homogeneity and the continuity of law of DMU, if such people are asked to read the same book continuously, the marginal utility will fall and the law of DMU, it will be applicable. So strictly speaking, in case of reading or in case of reader, he derives more and more satisfaction by reading different books. Definitely the person who loves to read book derives more and more satisfaction by reading different books. But the person read the same book continuously again and again, definitely it will give less satisfaction. So in case of reading, the condition of homogeneity and the continuity is violated, and therefore reading also not a genuine or real exceptions to the law of DMU. Now move to the sixth point, that is power. So it is an exception to the law of DMU because when a person gets power, his lust of power increases to have it more and more. However, it is not a real exception as the rationality condition is violated. So law of DMU states that with an increase in the stock of commodity consumed, its marginal utility goes on falling. It means one more extra additional unit, it gives less satisfaction. But strictly speaking, in case of power, law of DMU does not work. It is the exceptions to the law of DMU, and the exceptions, it refers to the conditions or situation where law of DMU does not work. So strictly speaking, in case of power, law of DMU does not work. Because when person get more and more power, that time satisfaction also increases. But law of DMU states satisfaction decreases with extra additional unit. Okay. So for example, if person acquired the post of serpent, his lust of power increases to acquire corporate, then lust again increases to acquire the post of MLA, to MP, MP to CM, CM to PM, PM to President. So lust of person increases. So if a person lust for something continuously increases, that time such behavior is not a normal. And in this case, the condition of rationality is violated, and therefore power, it is also not a genuine exception. Okay. And the last most important exception that we have to discuss, money. So it is said that marginal utility of money increases with increase in its stock because money has purchasing power. So already we had discussed exceptions. It refers to the situation or cases where law of DMU does not work. And the law of DMU states that with an increase in the stock of commodity consumed, marginal utility goes on falling. But in case of money, with marginal utility, okay, in case of money, marginal utility increases with extra additional collection of money. These are also not genuine exceptions because the importance of additional rupee declines as we have more and more money. So marginal utility of money can never become zero or negative as money represents purchasing power. Okay. Strictly speaking, that in case of money, marginal utility never declines. Law of DMU states that when consumer collect same commodity again and again, the extra additional unit gives less satisfaction. But in case of money, when person collect amount of money again and again, definitely it provides or gives more and more satisfaction. So it is said that a person derives more and more marginal utility with every additional unit of money, but in fact marginal utility of money also diminishes as its stock increases. But in reality, as the stock of money increases, marginal utility of money also decreases. It means, for example, the importance of money decreases. Okay. For example, a poor will get more marginal utility from a ₹5 note, but a rich person will get less marginal utility from the same ₹5 note. What I am saying, a poor will get more marginal utility. A poor will get more marginal utility. It means a poor will get more satisfaction from a ₹5 note, but a rich person will get less marginal utility from the same ₹5 notes. So as the stock of commodity, it means that as the stock of money increases, the importance of money decreases. What I am saying, as the stock of money increases, the importance of money decreases. So thus, in fact, there are no real exceptions to the law of DMU. It has universal applicable. Okay. So law of DMU, it's a universal applicable. These are the some exceptions to the law of DMU given in your textbook that already we have discussed. In next video, we will discuss next content matter. Thank you so much.